We are coming with a film called Brothers, 14th August, and we're very excited about this film because it's got one of the best action I have seen in my career. Um so I would say that this film is very close to my heart because it consists a lot of martial art. I've always said that I'm a stuntman first and an actor late. This film is a very, it's, it has a lot of drama. It has emotions. The fights come later on, but it has a lot of drama, emotion. That is the USP of this film. And I think I can take Siddharth's name and say that we both are very excited about this film because we have worked a lot. A lot means the climax has taken 52 days to picturize it. So I would say that I myself am very happy that tomorrow we're going to have a small little trial. So we both are going to sit and watch it. Jacqueline is also going to be there. So I won't be able to tell you the whole story of the film, but I can tell you it's an emotional martial art film, as Siddharth always says it is.
I have a line for this. It's Kabhi Kuchi Kabhi Gum, but with mixed martial arts. If that makes sense. Yeah, it's K3G with MMA, guys. So it's got the same drama. It's got two sons, one father, and mostly men having their emotional issues, resolving family issues, and how I think men have a habit of keeping everything inside. हम लोग इतनी बात नहीं करते अपने emotions के बारे में. और कैसे इस कहानी में we are a family of fighters. So how through this competition we resolve our family issues, which has been going on for years, which we are not getting along since because of our childhood. So yeah, I think it's a family drama first, with the backdrop of mixed martial art.
So did you, if I can understand, because I couldn't hear properly, you were trying to ask that whether will we help people who are trying to enter this industry, right? Right? Uh, I have worked with a lot of new directors. They're new talents. I've worked with a lot of new actors, new actresses. They've all come, and I've been very supportive with them. I have worked for at least about 16 to 17 new directors I've got in this, worked with in this industry. So that I can understand, you know, when anybody comes to ask for work, what goes in their mind, because even once upon a time, even I was doing that. And um, it's a feeling that you always, like you're thinking that I hope that today is the day that I'm going to get my work. And so yes, I am always there for people who need help, and I'll always be there.
Today, cinema is more about entertainment. But once upon a time, it was also a medium of giving message. You know, Indian cinema would connect to the hearts and minds. So what message would your movie give to the audience at large? That's my question.
Well, there's, as we said before, I think first and foremost, it's a message towards how you should be open and communicative within your family. I think because you can't choose your family, you can choose your friends. So that's something you're born with, and those are relationships that you are bound to follow because by blood. So I think the first and foremost, what you will get once you leave the film is the sibling relationship. I feel हम लोग ने जब dubbing में देखी picture, we've not seen the full film at floor, but the one thing we felt in the climax is for the first time you will have men in the audience crying and feeling the emotion rather than women, because it's such a rare emotion that you see vis-a-vis your own brother. You know, you hate them and you love them at the same time, and you can want to kill them one day and still you want to love them, and sometimes the issue or the masla keeps going for years then to come. And that's the main message. I think once you communicate within your own family, that anything can be resolved, and love your family and respect them.
अक्षय और सिद्धार्थ से मेरा सवाल है, इमोशन और एक्शन से भरी हुई फिल्म है। मैं जानना चाहूँगी, वैसे तो अक्षय आपके लिए एक्शन कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी क्या इस फिल्म के लिए आपने वाकई एक्शन सीन्स के लिए कोई तैयारी की? और सिद्धार्थ, यही सवाल आपसे भी।
हाँ जी, वैसे तो मैं सिद्धार्थ के लिए भी जवाब दे सकता हूँ, क्योंकि हम दोनों ने ही मिलके करीबन 4-5 महीने इस फिल्म के लिए प्रैक्टिस की। सिद्धार्थ ने तो बल्कि कोई और काम किया नहीं, मतलब ही यूज्ड टू ओनली जस्ट प्रैक्टिस फॉर दिस फिल्म। मैं अपनी दूसरी फिल्म ख़त्म करने के चक्कर में था, साथ साथ में प्रैक्टिस भी करता था। सो बिकॉज इट इज़ नॉट, मार्शल आर्ट इज़ नॉट दैट यू कि आपको आता है तो मतलब यू कैन कैरी, मतलब यू कैन वर्क ऑन इट एंड यू कैन गो फॉर शूटिंग। यू एक्चुअली हैव टू कीप ऑन रिहर्सिंग एंड टू मेक इट बेटर एंड बेटर एंड बेटर। एंड हाउ डिफरेंट कैन यू गिव टू योर ऑडियंस, बिकॉज दे आर सो यूज्ड टू नाउ डेज हॉलीवुड की फिल्में आती हैं और वो इतना अच्छा एक्शन देती है, एंड whom are you competing? You're competing with them. Whether you want it or not, कहीं ना कहीं जाके audience when they are watching it, they are wondering, ये तो हमने देखा है, ये तो वो पिक्चर में आई थी, लेकिन but they forget the fact that our Hindi cinema is made in a very, very small, tight budgeted compared to what they do. But still, I must tell you, we Indian film industry is doing a great job seeing how much the money is put in and pumped in.